Anytime now. And the race is on. Gold Cougat by Darrell. On the outside is Flores. On the further outside is Da Vinci. Take Me Tonight. And Don Eduardo's Best is running at the tail of the field. Flores. Da Vinci fighting it out for the lead. Gold Cougat. The outstanding favorite is running in third by about 4 lengths. Take Me Tonight running in fourth by some 2 lengths. And number 4 is running at the tail of the field, and that is Don Eduardo's Best. Racing towards the backstretch. Flores by a length and a half, followed by Da Vinci in second. Gold Cougat is racing in third by some 4 lengths. Take Me Tonight racing in fourth by about 3 lengths, and Don Eduardo's Best passing the half-mile post. Flores by about 2 lengths. Da Vinci, and getting closer in third is the favorite Gold Cougat. Take Me Tonight remains in fourth, and rounding the far turn, Flores by about 2 lengths. Da Vinci. Gold Cougat is racing on the outside, almost taking the second spot, and still moving up as they race the final corner. The complexion of the race has been changed with the favorite Gold Cougat is now the leader, this time by about 2 lengths. Flores and Take Me Tonight is on the outside. Gold Cougat, Take Me Tonight, Flores by Darrell, and nearing the finish line, the outstanding favorite, number 1, Gold Take Me Tonight, Flores, Da Vinci, and Don Eduardo's Best.
Okay, 1, 3, 2, 5, 4 ang ating unofficial order of arrival, crossing the wire.